Hello, this is Inbox SMS. My name is Dave. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rundown of what we're doing here. So, Inbox SMS is kind of a combination of a e-commerce platform mixed with a little bit of an outbox for the virtual gifts that you can, as a merchant, sell and as a customer purchase. What we do is after the purchase of a virtual gift, we have what we call an outbox that kind of handles the sending, the receiving, the validating, the claiming, the tracking of each coupon, so the merchant doesn't really have to worry about anything. We call it micro gifting. So there's kind of relatively low value, anywhere from $5 to $15, and we're thinking high volume. So we've tried to make it as simple as possible, so you as the merchant don't have to really take on any extra burden to open yourself up to a whole new revenue stream. As a customer, you get set up with the in-out box, and that's kind of where your purchases go. And as you get sent gifts, they also appear in your inbox, and from there you can claim them. And so when you get 10 or 15 gifts sent to you, you can kind of organize where there are. If they've claimed, they go into the use, and you only show in the coupons that are available to you. The benefits are high volume sales, affordable pricing, hassle-free integration, increased revenue because you can sell products online 24/7. It's great for workplace rewards. You can create $0 products that are free, and then those kind of work as coupons or specials. They can also be sent to other people to be claimed. It's a great way to kind of just build interest in your business. It works with any POS system. Just kind of ring it up as a gift card sale. And then if you have SMS messaging, it's a great way you can use your SMS list to send out your products to your customers, and they have direct access just to buy it straight from your text message. We also do bio links, so you can put this in your Instagram profile, and this will load in the Instagram app, and they can just purchase directly from your link in bio without ever leaving the Instagram app. It's basically just an iframe. They call it a web view. It's basically just an iframe. The other thing we do have are mini apps, and it's just a way to kind of brand the products that you create as a merchant. So you can make special, kind of like a landing page for your business, and then you can include your products in there. And it's kind of so one-off branding, but a universal shopping cart. And then you can also save your favorite apps, and we have a little kind of bookmark. So you have your favorite apps here that you can just go and access whenever you want. So there's games, there's marketplaces. Here is a drink gifter. So this is where all kind of a third party, but they utilize the back end of our platform, and they sell drinks, and they promote the drinks, and they promote their app. They make revenue off of it, yada yada. You have your in-out box. So this is actually loading the in-out box. And this is where it is. These are my gifts that I have purchased but have not sent. If I want to send one, I go like this. I can have a little greeting. I can type a message. Hello, I wish I was there. Enjoy a drink on me. Right? And then whoever I want to send it to, I send the message to their phone number, and it'll prompt me to make sure that that's the phone number, because there is a value, dollar value tied to this gift. I'm not going to send this, but if I would send that, the recipient of this phone, the person who owns this phone number, would get a text message. It would say, hello from Inbox SMS. David sent you a free drink from the brewery name, and then there's a link included. If they click that link, they get directed to their claim page. So when they go to the bar to claim that drink, they would load up the text message or load up their inbox, hit the claim button, show the coupon of the voucher on their phone to the merchant. The merchant has a claim code. It's kind of a validation, so each code can only be claimed once. And they enter in their claim code. And if it hasn't been claimed, it'll say success, and they can serve the beer, go to the POS, ring it up as a sale, and then serve the customer. And that's it. It's actually a very fast and easy process. It's faster than cash, easier than credit cards. There is a in-app report as well, so you can reference your POS with the claims in the app. So if you have 5 coupons that you have rung up during the day that are Inbox SMS coupons, you can go to your Inbox SMS admin and you can verify that there are 5 coupons there as well. If there's more, it has a date of every coupon that's claimed, and so you can just add one to your POS and cross-reference. Pretty straightforward. If they're in, this is where they go once they're sent. It tells you who they're from, when you received it, and then you just hit claim. That's what I was mentioning. You just show this to the bartender, and they have a claim code for their location. Each business can set up their own claim codes. Each location for the business can have their own, so you can track at what location. And then just hit the gift, claim gift, and if they claim it, it'll come up as successful. Successful. So now I would just go serve the drink. I'd ring it up in my POS, and you'll notice there's one less beer here. There's one beer here. And now this beer has a big claim, so I know that I can't use it. And you go back to DSM in your inbox. Pretty straightforward. Here you have your apps again that are your saved favorites. And if you can delete them all, you have 7. If I want to take one out, I just kind of delete it like that. Now I have my 6. You can access them. If I want to listen to some jam tunes, got Bob's Tunes here. Play some Fish. Band Goose. Go back, it's in the favorite, so that's why it's here. Here you have your app store, kind of where all the apps are. Each app has its own little app page. If you go to any of the apps, you'll notice at the very bottom of every app there's a favorite. If you favorite it, that's what happens, and it will show up in your apps as a favorite. We also do have a local shop feature. It's asking me to access my local, so I'm going to allow it. It's off screen. I don't have this set up yet, but then it would go query all the local posts and then show you the local posts. We even have some advertising as well. It's kind of just an exploratory idea there. Here's your cart. As you're in any of those apps, if you add stuff to your cart, you have your universal cart here. We do have a feed. And this is kind of another under development, but it's just kind of a mini app feed. And then you can kind of swipe in between all the different mini apps. And again, if you go down, you can favorite apps from here. You know, but you can kind of get a little preview of the app. And it's just a quick way to kind of discover this is a game, and you can kind of just play the game right in the app. This game has some stuff underneath, like this game, there's some game sponsors, so if you want to support the sponsors, you just kind of maybe purchase a beer. This one's a free gift certificate. There's a couple more here, right? Stonefellow, it's the music that would bring me to your page. Koji. Pretty straightforward, I guess. I don't know. Just kind of exploring some ideas there. And then this is if you're a vendor. This is where you create your products, create a coupon, contest prize. Those are all the same. It's just a product. You just kind of differentiate whether it's a $0. There's actually or a private product that nobody else can see but you can purchase it and put it in your cart and then send it out to people when they win prizes. This is kind of like a fundraiser. So you can work with a local artist or a local band, offer tickets or an album. Anybody that buys a fundraiser ticket, or if it's a $0 fundraiser, they can still claim a product with it and get entered into a lottery. Basically, all that is. And then you can add locations to your vendor if you have multiple locations to your store, and you can add claim codes to each location so you know where the coupons are being claimed. This is just store settings. Merchants get paid through Stripe. They make 95% of each sale. We handle the credit card processing and make a little bit of cash on top for the features that we provide. And that's about it. It's pretty straightforward. Inbox SMS.